This video is for the Xega HD security camera. It's the unboxing and building only, so the review will follow. Thanks for watching. Okay, so this is the unboxing for the Xega HD security camera. It's the XG01. Put it on the side so you can see all the bits on the side. It's the XG01 and HD security camera, bits and pieces on the side there. And then on the other side, security camera solar. Okay, and I'll probably go there's a bit more on this side as well. It's a really heavy box, and that's all the details that you get with it. So let's just open it up. There's a little flap in the bottom there. I think, yeah, it's going to do that, isn't it? Okay, so open it straight up like that. A little card at the start. Stuff to it. That's it. So that's instructions. Yep, red, done. Gosh, it's a big unit. That's the solar panel. Just move that out of the way a minute so we can see what we're doing. This has got to be the solar panel because it's quite large and flat. Oh, whoa, there's two of them. Wow, and they're really big. Wowzers, I did not think it was going to be that big. Yikes. Okay, so let's just put that over to the side so it doesn't fall over. Get this one back. And more packaging. Brilliant, brilliant packaging. Nothing's going to get damaged in there. SIM card. Okay. Just a note, it did actually come with the 64 gig memory card as well, which is great. And what else have we done here? So there's a metal plate. So when you're putting it onto the wall, then you've got a metal plate to stick it onto. Just leave that in the packaging. There's the screws and there's tools as well, and tweezers. Excellent. USB to USB-C, excellent. That's what we like to see. And then there's a USB-C. That must be the power source. I don't know yet. It's good. Oh, can you take it out without? Okay, yep, the frame's falling off, so that's the backing frame that goes on. Oh, so that was the panel, and this is just the frame that it mounts to. There's the camera itself. Oh, gosh. Look at that. Tear off before use. Yeah, wow. And that's got the antennas that move around. It's aluminium, I think. There's a foam back on there as well. That obviously moves around up and down as well. Oh yeah, it's a good piece of unit, that is. Okay, what else is this? There is, oh, that's an extension bar, that's it. They won't know exactly what all these bits do until we look at the instructions.